Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You've already signed in, now get straight to the team. Open Teams on desktop or web and verify your tenant in the top right. Once done, click the team's icon in the left rail to reveal your team list, then glance down the list to find the target team. If you don't see it, type the team or channel name into the search box at the top and press Enter. This starts a fast path directly to the channel instead of browsing every team. Once you've opened the correct team, expand it to show channels. Standard ones display openly while private channels show a lock icon. Make sure to click the three dots next to the team name to use the filter or search within that team. This narrows results to channel names and conversation text. You can favorite a channel by clicking the star or right-clicking and choosing Pin so it stays at the top. These steps speed future navigation. You're almost done. Pin or favorite the channel for quick access, and if it's private, send a request to join using the channel menu. Once inside, check the Posts and Files tabs to confirm context and set channel notification preferences so you don't miss messages. On mobile, open Teams, expand the team, or use the top search field to jump directly to channels. If you still can't find a channel, clear the app cache or sign out and back in. That often resolves visibility sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.